Hey guys, it's Natalie. Today we're making pumpkin banana bread muffins. They are moist, delicious, and healthy. Ready in under 30 minutes. To keep your muffins healthy, it's all about choosing the right ingredients. Use unbleached, organic, all-purpose flour or a gluten-free flour. See the website for a flour substitution chart and tips to swap flour types. Grab a natural sweetener like maple syrup or raw honey, coconut oil, Ceylon cinnamon, and aluminum-free baking soda is key. First, mash your bananas. I like to use a hand masher like this one. Line your muffin cups with unbleached liners or grease with avocado or coconut oil. If needed, take a paper towel and spread the oil around in the cup for even coverage. Next, combine your dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine your wet ingredients. Combine with a whisk, or you can use a high-powered hand mixer to help. With the spatula, gently fold together the wet and dry ingredients until a batter is formed. If you're adding nuts or chocolate chips, this is where you would add them. Just fold them in gently. Carefully scoop the batter into the muffin cups, around 3/4 full for room to expand, and swirl it around and gently wipe the sides of the cup. Place the muffins in the center wrap at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and check it after 20 minutes. Insert a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it will be ready. If it's not ready, just check it every minute or two until it's done. They'll be nice and golden brown, as you see. And we'll scoop them out, set them on a wire rack to cool for a few minutes, and enjoy. The muffins taste amazing warm and go well with a cup of tea or coffee. Don't forget to check out our website at mindfullyhealthyliving.com for the full recipe and other amazing recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you really loved it, and let us know in the comments how it went. Until next time, have a great day.